Hey, to fix, you have disabled the require permission notification on your Redmi 13. First of all, you'll have to go to the settings. Now you'll have to move into the apps. And now go for manage apps. And right now you will have to just search for this application that actually show you this kind of the notification. So let's say that I actually disable require permission, for example, for my Google Assistant. So I have to just open the Assistant. Then I will have to go into the app permissions, and now, okay, this one actually doesn't have any permissions, so I have to go back. But let's do this, for example, into the camera. Go into the app permissions, and as you can see right here, I can allow or don't allow the permissions. So if I didn't actually get permission for nearby devices, I have to click here and then select allow, and then I can just go back. And now as you can see, everything is fine. And that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.